back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review a product called Carol's Daughter Strength Ultra Shield Pre-Poo. So I used this last week and it was amazing. Like, I've never pre-pooed my hair. I think I did, like when I first became natural, I did like a hot oil treatment. And I'm like, I'm not doing this. But I've never actually bought a product and pre-pooed it before. But this is pretty awesome. Like, I used it last week. Like, the downside of this is that the price point is $11.99 and it doesn't come with a lot. Like, I used this one time and it's already halfway gone. So that's a big con for me. So even though this is a great product, like it has so much slip, and it practically had me like almost limited, like zero shedding. I won't be buying this again because it's just too expensive. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick tutorial and show you how I applied it in last week. So I'm gonna take my hair down and I come right back. Okay, so I sectioned my hair in fours. I typically don't section my hair when I'm doing it. I just like do it, whatever, but that's fine. I just section it off just to make it easier so I can make sure all the product is through my hair, so when I'm washing and conditioning and detangling it won't have so much shedding coming out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started with this. I'm just reading the back of it. I don't need to tell you what it says because, you know, it's Carol's Daughter. It's for natural hair. It's just up. So now let's try to get some out. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit around. Then I'm going to split it up. And just rub my fingers through. So that one's completely saturated. Let's do it here. So once this completely has all the product in, I'm just going to start from the bottom and do a little finger detangle. I'm not a real big fan of finger detangling because I just feels it pulls too much of my hair out that I don't need for it to come out. Like, it just does too much unnecessary pulling to me. I feel like it needs a little bit more right there. Let's see. I always have to talk about the smell. Even though, if you watch my channel, you know I'm not a really big fan of smell, but if it does smell good, then it's just a bonus. It just keeps getting caught up here. It smells like some type of peppered spice or something. Okay, so, oops, camera. So this is how it's looking. Yeah, cool. Just gonna twist that up real quick. It's almost running out. It started making that toot sound. When you're towards the end of a product, and then it makes that toot sound because the air and it's running low. So I am going to fast forward this part. Okay, so I'm finishing up, and I'm supposed to leave it in here for 10 minutes, so I am going to do a 10-minute ab workout because, you know, it is Sunday and I did just come from trail running, so gotta finish up my workout. But yeah, oops, it's all over the place. So this is all that came out from my shedding, from me finger detangling, which is this much. So that's not much at all. I usually have more than that sometimes, which is not good, but it's like my hair's not breaking out. It just, I don't know, it depends on the week, and sometimes I just get too stressed throughout the week, and then my hair suffers for it. So today I'm gonna try to do like a nice tranquil day. I'm gonna do some practice on my piano. I'm gonna do some drawing. I want to do some reading. So I'm gonna try to have like a nice relaxing day. Like I started off with a relaxing day with running, and it's so beautiful outside. Like the leaves are changing color. So when you're in the forest and you're just surrounded by trees, and it looks like you're in an enchanted forest, and the ground is covered in this beautiful orange and yellow and brown leaves, and then the trees are just, it's just so magical, and I just love it so much. I just love trees so much. But yeah, I'm just rambling on. So I will see you in the next clip. I will be in the shower finishing detangling my hair, and I'll show you how much shedding came out from using Carol's Daughter Pre-Poo. So keep watching. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, it's like the comb is like gliding through my hair. I'm using Aussie Moist, of course, but it's like so easy to comb through now. So I'm just gonna twist it up, and I'm just gonna show you the shedding that came out, which is hardly any, which is amazing. So there's the shed. I'm trying to pick up my fingers, the little that's there. So here you go, I'm showing you, but I was like, let's rinse that conditioner off a little bit so you can see it better. The only as I was saying before, the downfall about this is that now I am completely out of it, so there's no more, and it really is, you know, sad. But all in all, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Push the notification button, that way you know next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.